Today we're going to go over the glute bridge. So this is one of the most simple exercises, but yet a lot of people do them wrong. All right, and they don't actually feel it in their glutes. So here's some tips to help you feel it in your glutes. Okay, whenever you're laying down, so you want to start out with your feet maybe about, I don't know, they're within arm's reach. Okay, they're within arm's reach, but they're not so far out and they're not super up by your butt. Okay, they're kind of in the middle. Now, whenever you do this, press your low back into the ground so that your hips kind of roll back. Press your entire foot into the ground. So if you picture your foot, right, big toe, little toe, and heel, right? So you draw a triangle between that big toe, little toe, and heel. Press that triangle into the ground. Come up, squeeze your butt, and then slowly bring it back down. All right, if you are feeling this in your hamstrings, that means your feet are too far away. If you're feeling it in your quads and not in your butt, you might have your feet too close to your butt. So make sure that you're pressing that triangle into the ground. Push your hips up, right? So you're not pushing your belly button up, okay? You're not arching your back and coming up. So you'll feel a pinch in your back whenever you do this. Make sure you roll your hips back, then press your hips up towards the ceiling. All right, it's okay if you have to stop in between. All right, roll your hips back, press that low back into the ground so your hips are up. Press your hips up and then come back down. Again, making sure that you're squeezing up the top. If you need to, put your hands on your butt. All right, put your hands on your butt and kind of goat the muscle. So poke at it, make sure that muscle is firing. All right, so that was the glute bridge. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. And then if you have any other exercise you want me to break down or coach you up on, leave them in the comments below and I'll add it to the list.